Well, probably what I did before. I spent all my life from a very young age working. So I came into politics later on in life. And I'm glad I did that because I don't feel that I'm institutionalised over there, having spent years doing what you were told to do. So, and I'm glad that that's the way it was, and I was able to enjoy my family coming up, and then politics was different for me because, as I said, I wasn't in there all of my life. But there's life after politics. It's up to you to either pick up where you left off in terms of I was a businessman, so maybe I might do that. Or maybe I might decide it's just time to walk the dogs and enjoy your family, as the usual answer is.
Leo Varadkar said at the weekend that he didn't envisage he would be a politician by the time he's 51. In a sense, I think he was saying he would kind of just quit politics. I mean, could you see yourself quitting politics, or will you do it as long as the people of Carlow can?
No, I'll do it as long as I feel I have the energy to make a positive contribution, or to make a contribution. Others can judge whether it's positive or not, but to do the work. Once I feel that I have the energy to do all of that, I'd seek re-election. But there's a natural end to things as well, so maybe another term.
Do you think some people hang around too long?
Well, when I got elected first, Kieran Crotty, who was a Fine Gael TD and retired, and I was going up to accept the fact that I was elected, and he said to me, "Do you know what your problem is now, John?" And I said, "No, Kieran, I don't." I was quite friendly with him. He said, "You have to now decide when you're going to get out. Know when to get out." And I think that's the message for all of us: know when to get out.
So you think one more term and that might be it for you?
Yeah, maybe so. I'll see what the energy levels are like then, and what the political landscape is like. And if I feel I can make a contribution, you stay going until then.
I ask a lot.
But I don't intend to stay and go forever.